So these are the questions that we are going to discuss. Some of them we'll do, not all, but here in class, and I want you all to do the rest of it. Okay. Now, let us begin. Some of them, like find the equations of the following lines whose slope is 2 and bisects the join of the points. This is very simple. Okay, do this second one. The portion of which intercepted between the axis is divided by the point minus 5, 4 in the ratio 1:2. Okay, find the equation of this line. Okay, I'll copy this. Yes, so let's start. Did you all attempt? Any one of you got time to attempt? Or no? If you know, let us attempt now. Where does 5, 4 come? Which quadrant?
First one.
No, minus 5, 4.
Oh, so this will be second one, on the left side. Of top.
Yes, yes, second quadrant. Of course, that is not important to solve the problem of straight line. You can still do it, but it is useful if it is useful when we for visualizing minus 5, 4. So somewhere here. Okay. Now, the portion, find the equation of the line, the portion of which intercepted between the axis is divided by this point in the ratio 1:2. So this is the line. Passing through this point. Okay. Now, this divides in the ratio 1:2.
So we will have two answers, right?
Why we will have two answers? You will have only one answer.
So like we could take it 2:1 because it might be that the upper part is 1.
Generally, we take unless it is specified, always we go from x-axis to y-axis.
Okay.
Unless it is specified. So tell me, how do you do? Yesterday we did a problem of a very similar type. We did a problem of a point which bisected. Yeah? Let us see chat.
So we can find the intercepts and apply the double intercept form.
Very good. Very good. So how will you apply the intercept?
section formula.
Okay, good. Good, do it. Do it. Let us solve. Everybody solve. So, find the intercept. This will be A comma 0. This is B 0 comma B. Okay. Now let us apply the section formula. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Do it, do it. Tell me the answers. What is the value of A you get? You tell me. What is the value of B you get? You tell me. I'm waiting for your answers. No answers even in chat. I want you to participate. Without practice, you will not get. So you have to apply yourself. So at least A and B, anyone can tell me. Then I'll see whether you're right. Okay. We can do it other ways also, but right now through section formula. Oh, distance formula will be very difficult to apply. Section formula only is the easiest because it is given that it is dividing in this ratio. So minus 5,4 is equal to m x1, that is 1 into 0 plus n x2, 2 into a by m plus n. All right. Then m y2 plus n y1 by m plus. This is the section formula. We can do it very easily. It is 2a by 3. This is b by 3. So equate the coordinates. We get 2a by 3 is equal to minus 5, which implies a is equal to minus 15 by 2. And then b by 3 is equal to 4, which implies b is equal to 12. 4 into 3. Therefore, the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, which means it is x by minus 15 by 2 plus y by 12 equal to 1. You can simplify this. Minus 2x by 15 plus y upon 12 equal to 1. So what is the multiple? What is the least common multiple of 15 and 12?
60.
Good. So 60. 15 into 4, 60. So minus 2x into 4 is 8x plus 12 into 5, 60. So multiply the numerator with 5. So 5i minus 8x plus 5i. So this gives minus 8x plus 5i equal to 60. Or take all these terms to the right and you get 8x minus 5i plus 60 equal to 0. Alright, this is the answer. Why you face difficulty? This was a straightforward question. You should attempt. 8x minus 5i plus 60 equal to 0. To learn maths, you should boldly apply whatever you learned. That's how you will, not just maths, physics also. It's like that. Okay, can we move forward? Everybody,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everybody understood the question, how we do? Yesterday we did for midpoint, now we did for, you applied a section formula. Now it can be anything, 3:4, 1:5, whatever the ratio is, same method. Same method. Okay. Next question. Third question is similar to what we did yesterday. Whose intercept by the axis is bisected at the point 3, 5. So this you should do. Next. Which cuts off equal intercepts from axis and passes through the point 2, minus 7. This also you can do it. I will do this one. So this is the second problem for today. We have to find equation of the line which passes through the point minus 3, 8 and cuts off positive intercepts on the axis whose sum is 7. Yeah. How do you approach this? Which form of line should we use? Again. Which
Double
form?
intercept form.
Double intercept form. Very good. Very good. We have to apply double intercept form. Now, the equation of the line is or let the equation of the line be, that is better. Let the equation of the line be x by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. All right. Now, it is given that two things are given. First, two conditions are required. The line passes through minus 3, 8. Okay, therefore, what do you get? When you substitute the point in the line, it should satisfy the equation of the line. Therefore, you get minus 3 upon a plus 8 upon b equal to 1. This is the first equation. Now, the second condition is the sum of the intercepts. The sum of the intercepts is 7. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 7. This is the second. Now, you have two equations in a and b. You have to find a and b. So, you have to solve this. So, from 2, substitute b is equal to 7 minus a into 1. So, from equation 2, I am substituting b equal to 7 minus a into equation 1. Is equal to 1. So, now you do this. You multiply the denominators. You get minus 3 into 7 minus 8 plus 8a is equal to, divided by the denominator, a into 7 minus a, which I multiply to the right, I get a into 7 minus a. Okay. Now, this gives us, this is minus 21 plus 3a plus 8a is equal to 7a minus a square. Bring this to the side to get a square mm, 8 plus 3, 11 minus 7, so plus 4a minus 21 equal to 0. So you have to factorize this now. Okay, 7 into 3 is 21. So you can write this as 7a minus 3a. I hope you know the factorization process of quadratic. How you have to do? The product is 21. So you should get factors in such a way that the sum of the factors is equal to the middle term here, the coefficient of the middle term. So product is minus 21. So you get either minus 7 into 3 or 7 into minus 3. But because we want 4, we take 7 and minus 3. So So you get A is equal to 3 or A equal to -7. Of these two, which one will you take?
A equal to 3.
Yes, we'll take A equal to 3. Why? Because A equal to -7. What is the given question? Given question is it cuts off positive intercepts. It cuts off positive intercepts. So A cannot take negative. So therefore A equal to 3 since A is positive. Now what will be B? B is 7 minus A. Therefore B 4. What is the equation of the line? Therefore equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1, which is x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1. So 4x plus 3y equal to 12 is the equation of the line. You can write minus 12 equal to 0 or you can leave it here. This is the equation of the line. Okay, got it? How we did?
Yes, sir.
If you have copied, I'll go on to the next problem. If all of you confirm, then only I'll move on to the next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. This one. Let us see how you will do this one. So find the equation of the line. On which perpendicular from origin makes an angle of 30 degrees with x-axis, but which forms a triangle of area 50 by root 3 with the axis. Which form? Now you think about it. Think about it. Now, how will you solve this problem? You think about it. And anybody, please share ideas. How will you solve?
So is that 30 the power 0 or 30 degrees?
30 degrees. 30 degrees. Which form will you use?
The normal form.
Very good. Okay. After that,
So I think we need to use some basic trigonometry to find the sides and apply the formula for area of triangle.
It is much more simpler than that. Okay. Who was that? Harshita? Harshita was speaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say this. Because it is given on which perpendicular from origin makes an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Just visualize. Give me 2 minutes. So, look at this. This is the origin. Perpendicular from the origin to the line will make an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Now the line cuts the axis at, whatever these 2 points. You call it as, I'll use this. You call this as A comma 0 and B 0 comma B. And this is P. Now you have to use basic trigonometry for sure. I'll do without using trigonometry. I will do. See, the equation of the line in normal form or perpendicular form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, which implies this is x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to p. Now what I'll do, I will write this in the intercept form. I'll divide by p throughout and I'll write x by p upon cos 30. When I divide by p, I'll get x cos 30 by p plus y sin 30 by p equal to 1. And then that cos 30 I have to take from numerator and bring it to the denominator. Y upon p by sin 30. What is this equal to? A. All right. From here, you can see this is A. A is p by cos 30 and B is p by sin 30. X by A plus y by B equal to 1. Comparing with, this is what form? Intercept form. This is intercept form. Double intercept form. All right. Now, what is the area of this triangle? Area of the triangle made by, the line with the axis OAB. OAB. area of the triangle. OAB. Tell me what it will be. It is half base into height. It's a right angle triangle because coordinate axes are perpendicular. So you get half AB. All right. Area of the triangle is equal to half AB is equal to what is given 50 upon root 3. So now we can do this. Half into A. P upon cos 30 into P upon sin 30 is equal to 50 upon root 3. So you get P square half into P square, and cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So root 3 by 2, 2 comes in the numerator. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So the reciprocal will be 2 upon 1. So now you can strike off root 3 and root 3 in the denominator on both sides. And then 2 will divide this 2. Okay, once. Then we get P square is equal to 25, which means P is equal to plus 5 only because P is the perpendicular distance. It cannot be minus 5. Okay? So you solve the problem now. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. I converted this to intercept form. I found the x-intercept and the y-intercept, and half times the x-intercept times y-intercept will give you the area of the triangle, which is given as 50 by root 3 square units. Equate, substitute and equate, you will get the value of P. Therefore, equation of the line is x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to P, 5. So x root 3 upon 2 plus y into 1 upon 2 equal to 5. Common LCM, take it to the other side. 3x root 3x plus y equal to 10. This is the equation of the. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So actually coordinate geometry, problems will strengthen our thinking geometrically. We have to think. First of all, my suggestion is very quickly you should be able to draw a figure for geometry problems. Then you can visualize. Without figure, very difficult to visualize. Once you make, and these are lengthy calculations I'm making right now, just because you are learning. After a while, you should be able to skip steps and do it fast and very short and efficient. Done? Everybody is clear? Any doubts? Say, as a student, I can tell a doubt. I'll raise a question for you. Many times students have told me, sir, when you are doing the problem, when you are solving the problem, the steps become very clear to me. Okay, I'm very clearly understanding. But when I see the problem myself, I do not know how to proceed. Okay, do you face that? Any one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for that, what is the only method is, when I do certain problems, you should go back and do similar problems, or from the textbook, you should solve one or two similar problems on that once you understand the concept. Okay. So when you apply for different values, similar type of a problem, when you apply for different values, you will get a grasp. Or another method is, first thing is, the same problem what I did, without seeing my solution, you should solve it again. Then you get stuck. When you get stuck, that means somewhere you didn't understand how to proceed. Then you look back when you get stuck. Then you will understand, oh, I have to do this, like this. So one or two, by practice, it happens like that. See, just like cycling, you will see a person cycling. Doesn't mean that you will learn cycling unless you cycle yourself. Understand? So any subject learning is like that. Teacher will teach, give problems, but you should solve yourself. So one way is, the same problems that I'm doing, you do it again without seeing my solution. Wherever you get stuck, that is where you didn't understand. So you go back and refer what I have done. And then I solve it. And then in your textbook, some similar problem will be there. Your college textbooks. All right, either CBSE or state board, you just refer to similar problems and solve. You will get. Then you get a grasp over it. Then you get confidence. And once you get confidence, you will be able to think for yourself.
So can you scroll up the last area or the area part for something?
Yes.
Yes, so below.
Yes. Just tell me when you are done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next. This problem will require a little bit of trigonometry. Multiple, submultiple angles. Of course, you can, it's not very difficult. After you do submultiple angles of trigonometry, you will know. Slope you will find, slope you will get as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1, minus of. So this is a slope of this line, and which is inclined at 75 degrees. Actually, slope of this line will be minus 15. Minus 15 minus 75 will be minus 90. Plus 15 will be plus 75 will be 60 degrees. So two lines are possible and passes through origin. This is an easy problem, just that your submultiple angles concept. The determinant form I will take. I've determinants form of the straight line. As soon as I do, you can do this. This is not so difficult, but you don't know determinants. That's why you'll not be able to do it. Let us do this. This is the fourth problem for today. Line 2x plus 3y equal to 12 meets the axis, x and y axis at A and B respectively. The line through 5, 5 perpendicular to AB meets the axis and the line AB at C, D and E respectively. If O is the origin of the coordinates, find the area of the figure OCEB. So first step is you, without finding anything, you just draw the figure so that you understand what this OCEB is. Then I'll explain. You draw the figure, put it on the group, WhatsApp group. I'll try to put it here. Let's see who will do it right. Let's see. Anybody? I'm waiting for a screenshot. I'm waiting for a screenshot on the group. Someone should draw and put the screenshot of the photo
Sir,
on the
I'm
group.
not on the group.
You are not in the group? Acha, your father has the phone number. Okay.
So no, I
Yeah, I
have
have
given my
sent.
phone number, but even none of them are on the group. My phone number and my dad's, none of them.
Okay. Your dad is on the group. I have put your dad in the group.
So I'm not sure. So I sent you my number, but I don't know how my dad got it.
So your number doesn't have a WhatsApp.
I have it, sir.
Okay. You send it to me again. You know my
Okay,
number,
sir.
huh? You send,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
add you.
I'll send it through my dad's number only.
Okay. Yeah, good. All right. Let's see. Harshita has sent. Harshita's. Okay. So line AB. All right. And a line perpendicular cuts at C and D. All right. And what is the figure that we want? Figure is OCEB. Let us see the figure OCEB. OCEB. How will that be?
So two triangles together.
Hmm. No, it depends on, say, how your line is passing. Just a second. The conception of the figure is right, but it is not accurate. It is not accurate. The conception of the figure is right. Okay. So I will show. See, this is minus the slope of this line, minus a by b, minus 2 by 3. So, what will be the intercepts? 2x plus 3y equal to 12.
Sir, I have sent, sir.
Okay, I'll check. Let me see. This is x. Good. This is y. Y comma 5. All right. So OCE. Good. This is right. OCB. This is right. This is correct. All right. So say, look at this. This is x 2x by 12. That is x by 6 plus 3y by 12. That is y by 4 equal to 1. So when you plot, it is 6 units on x-axis and 4 units on y-axis. So let us say 4 units is here. Now this is this line. Now this is 6 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 4. And whereas, see, it passes through 5 comma 5. So 5 comma 5 will be somewhere here. And the line is perpendicular to the line AB and passes through 5 comma 5. So okay, let's say this is 5 comma 5. This is A, this is B. Now it meets the x-axis in C, y-axis in D, and the line at E. All right. Now I want to find area of this triangle. Area, what do we have to find? OCEB. OCEB. So this is this area. All right. So now let us do this. Now, slope of the given line. Slope of the given line is m1 equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, minus 2 upon 3 is the slope of the given line. All right. Slope of the line perpendicular to the given line. Perpendicular to the given line. What will that be? M2 is minus 1 upon M1. M2 equal to minus 1 upon M1. That is 3 upon 2. Okay. This is the reciprocal, negative reciprocal of M1. So then it passes through this perpendicular line, this line perpendicular to AB. Okay, this symbol is short form for perpendicular. I'll just write it. This line perpendicular to AB passes through 5, 0, sorry, 5, 5. Therefore, equation of the line is
y minus 5 into k/2 of x1.
yes, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Very good. So multiply this, you will get 2y minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 15. So 3x minus 2y, I am bringing 3x minus 2y this side is equal to 15 minus 10, 5. 15 minus 10, 5. Which implies convert to intercept form. Why? Because I'll straight away get the values of C and D. Okay. C, I'll get 5 upon 3 plus y by minus 5 upon 2 equal to 1. Got it? Why did I do this? Other way to do it is, if you want to find the intercept, if you want to find where it cuts the x-axis, put y equal to 0. You will get x as 5 by 3. If you want to know where it cuts the y-axis, put x as 0. Put x as 0. You will get y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So, therefore, we get C 5 by 3, 0 and D 0, minus 5 by 2. All right. So you got C and D. Now let us see this. C is 5 by 3, 0 and D is 0, minus 5 by 2. This is what we got. Now I want this shaded area. One way of doing it is find the point of intersection, which we learn soon. But you can find the common point lying on both the lines, and then apply area of the quadrilateral. We know how to find the area of a polynomial from coordinate systems. Other than that, can you tell any other method without using that much simpler method?
So we find the area of the bigger triangle and subtract the smaller.
Excellent. Excellent.
So of BED, from there we subtract OCD.
Very good. But still, in any case, we need to find E for this. Unless you find E, you will not get this height of this triangle. For the bigger triangle, you need to know the base. All right, the base and the height. Or you need to know this DE and EB. So how do you find point E?
So we equate it. We say that 3x minus 2y.
So
Yes.
cross multiplying also we can find, no, sir.
Yes. Cross multiplying means?
Like taking the equation 2x plus 3y minus 12 and 3x minus 2y minus 12.
We say we solve the two equations.
Oh, yes, sir. We solve two equations.
We solve, okay, to find the point E, which is the point of intersection of the two lines. We solve the equation of the two lines. The equations of the lines. See, what is the concept? Because the two lines, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. And 3x minus 2y equal to 5. These are the two lines. Now, we need to find a point which simultaneously satisfies this equation and also this equation. That will be only one point which will satisfy. To find that point, we solve the two equations. This is, you must have done in your earlier classes, class 10, solving of linear equations. How do you do? Now, let us say I want to eliminate y. So what I do to solve, I multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. Okay, I'll teach the cross multiplication method in the next class, but right now I'm solving like this. And then I add, what happens? 2 into 3, 6y, 3 into minus 2, minus 6y. So plus 6y minus 6y, they cancel. But here, 2 into 2, 4x, plus 3 into 3, 9x, 13x. All right. Now, 13x plus 0y equal to 12 into 2, 24, plus 15, 39, which gives x is equal to 3. Okay, you understood how I did? I eliminated. I multiplied the first equation by 2, second equation by 3, and I added. So I get this. Now, take any of the two equations. Once you got x, take any of the two equations. Now, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So we need to find y. 3y is 12 minus 2x. Now you substitute this x. 12 minus 2 into 3. 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. So y will be 6 upon 3, which is 2. All right. So we get the point E as 3, 2. All right, just by solving. So just look at here, 3, 2. Now, just below this, I will do the area of the triangle. It will be easier. Now, required area. Area area of OCEB is equal to area of triangle BDE minus area of triangle OCD. What is triangle, area of triangle BDE? BDE. What is the area of this triangle? You know this point. If you know this point, you know this base and this height. Okay, this is half BD into, I'll call this as E dash minus half OC into OD. By the way, very, very important, because this triangle is below the x-axis, you will get negative signs. So you take modulus, because areas are positive quantities. Areas are not negative quantities. So now what is BD? Half OB plus OD. OB is 4. OD distance is 5 by 2. Okay, it is, you can find distance formula. It is y2 minus y1. X2 minus x1 is 0 anyway. So y2 minus y1. 4 minus of minus 5 by 2. You will get 4 plus 5 by 2. And E dash E is 3 units. 3 units. Coordinates. X coordinate of E is 3. So E dash E is 3 minus, okay, half OC is 5 upon 3 and OD is minus 5 by 2, but you need to take the modulus to avoid that minus sign. So 4 2 is 8 plus 5 13 into 3 upon 4 minus 25 upon 4 3 is 12. So calculate LCM 12. 13 3 is 39 into 12. No, 39 into 3 minus 25. What will this be? 40 into 3 is 120. 39 is 117 minus 125. 117 minus 25. Tell me. 117 minus 20 is 97, minus 5 is 93. No, 92. Hope I'm right. So you get 46. So 92 divided by 4. So you get 23 upon 3 square units. 23 by 3 square units. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. All right. We'll stop for now. I will upload this in the site. You go through these problems. We have done 4 problems today. This one was a lengthy one. Other than that, this was easy. You go through them. And the other problems you please practice, because again, coordinate systems, again on Monday we will do. Tomorrow we'll continue with functions. All right. Any questions? Harshita, you said that there was a problem in that transformation of axis assignment. I checked and I replaced. Now you can find the assignment.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Others can leave. Pradyumna, you give me your number, WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir.
So that I will send you the login ID and password.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I can add you in the group. I'll add you.
Okay.
You have WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. Sir, your
Oh.
number.
My number is, just a second. I'll put in chat.